If you truly love nature, you will find its beauty everywhere. In Southeast Asia. Embark on a journey and relish the excitement of snorkeling around a tropical coral reef, or get up close and personal with animals in their natural habitat. Let nature be your guide. Listen to the peaceful sounds and find the balance between your body and mind. To truly feel alive, one must calm the mind to find inner strength. Conserving the environment also means preserving your state of being. Venture to a home away from home. Where nature is abundant. Where you find that your health is your greatest wealth. Come visit Southeast Asia and explore how its natural beauty and cultural traditions could broaden your mind, nurture your body, and enrich your spirit.